Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed and how to this body is design and assemble easily and clearly, and this is a shock absorber. Today discuss here a very important lecture. All point is one by one is a sketch here, and today discuss here all points is easily assemble here. Okay, today learn here all body is assemble easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is a final shock absorber is okay, and this is a perfect and correct and how to this body is assemble easily and clearly. Today discuss here a very important lecture, and this lecture is very useful and helpful. Beginner student is also learn here a beautiful project. Okay, let's start here. This body is assembled here easily and clearly. Okay, okay, at first select a symbol, and some use a plain white. Okay, this is a perfect and one by one all part is okay. Select a insert component and going to browse and save a okay, save all parts one by one is some size is increase here extra. This is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and one by one is all part is selected. This is the first part, and second this is a base, top rod and spring and nut. One by one is all part is selected, and this is a final assemble here is this. At first select this top rod and select open, and this is this. Okay, and this is a perfect and again select going to insert component, and another part is also this use a base body. Okay, and again select open, and this is a perfect and base body, and this body top rod is a perfect. Okay, okay, and both is correct, and select a mate and use a at first select this face and select this. Okay, and going this is a concentric is perfect and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect. This is a concentric is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and next is a click OK, and again select this going to next part is a select this nut and open, and okay, this is a perfect. And some important is very important is relation is this nut and top rod. Okay, and correct. At first select this body, and okay, use a mate and select this body and use this face. Select this face and going to concentric is perfect. Click OK, and this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect, and this is a rotation here, but this is a move, and this is a one relation is also selector, and this is a very important relation. And at first select a use a temporary axis Okay, and going to mat, and mat is a mechanical mat, and going to screw. A screw is a very important, and this is relation is a very important, and select this axis, and also select this face. Okay, and this is a revolution per millimeter, and this is a 1, and direction is reverse. Direction is reverse is very important, and this relation is also so here, and this is a very important relation, and click OK. And this body is a rotation here, but not move. Okay, this is a fix, and this is a only rotate here, and this relation is this is a very important, and click OK. Okay, and also next part is going to insert component, and last part is spring, and a spring is this, and also spring relation is also very important. Okay, and correct. At first select this, and going to this, and going to sweep, and sweep is this is a sketch 2. Sketch 2 is this line is showing here, and this click here, and this is a so. Okay, this relation is very important, and going to mat. Mat is this, and again select this line. Okay, and select this axis, and relation is a concentric. Okay, not so here. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, again mat, and this line is select here, and this face is select here. Okay, this is this face, and this use a concentric. Okay, click OK. This is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect, and again select this face, and select this face. This is a coincident is a perfect relation is perfect. This is a okay. This relation is a perfect, and correct, and okay. This is a move here easily, and this body is rotate, and also this body is drag here. Okay, and and this spring is this some move, then this nut is a rotation. Okay, all is perfect, and one relation is also select this face. This face is select here, and click this face. Okay, coincident relation is perfect, and this is a okay, and click OK, and all point is hide. This is a hide, and also temporary axis is also hide, and all is a perfect, and assemble is complete here, and so here this is a perfect, and correct. Okay, all is move up and down, and this is a rotation. This nut is rotate here, and also this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a rotate here, and this is a perfect. Okay, and also this nut is a drag up and down, then move up and down, then this nut is rotate here. Okay, okay guys, finally all point is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.